you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to delete your Telegram account on the most easy way. Alright, for this go to your Safari and go to Telegram because we need your Safari and the app Telegram to delete your account. Alright, tap on FAQ and from here go to your account. Then here tap on delete your Telegram account and then tap on the blue deactivation page. Alright, fill in your phone number just right here and after that tap on next. And now if you can see Telegram sent a confirmation code to your messages. So this is why you need the application and the Safari. So now if I go to Telegram and go to chats, you will see that we received a login code. So now if I select that code just right here, tap on copy, go back to Safari, and now if I fill in the confirmation code just right here and I do sign in, we can delete our account again. Alright, they want that you give them a reason why you are leaving Telegram. So for me it's cost me too much time. So this is for me a nice reason. And now if I do delete my account and then tap on yes, delete my account, your account was successfully deleted from our system. Come back soon. Alright, this is how it works, and if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.